Hey everyone, it's Nabila with Mailment. And today I'm going to discuss an interesting email marketing topic, a welcome email series. So what is a welcome email? Most people think it's just a special note to thank or appreciate the first-time buyers or new subscribers. While that's true, it doesn't have to stop there. You can use a welcome email series to make your customers purchase even more. In fact, you may prepare a welcome email series to double your chances for making the buyer return and purchase from you again. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a well-planned welcome email series to get maximum results. So let's get started. First, you have to decide how many emails you want to send to your customers as a part of this series. Usually, a welcome series email consists of 4 emails. So basically, the first email consists of an introduction to your brand, a thank you note, and a coupon for the next order of your customers. Here, the coupon acts as a trigger for your customers to take the action for the next purchase as soon as possible. So let's have a look at how you can create the first email of your welcome series using Mailment. So to create the welcome email sequence campaign in Mailment, you need to go to the campaigns module and then click on sequence for automation. So once you do that, what you can do is prepare a title for your welcome email. So let's say you're giving it welcome email, and then you can add a catchy subject line here. So let's say the subject line will be thanks for from us. Similarly, you can also add a preview text that matches with your intent. Now let's have a look at how you can design the email. Now here I've prepared a draft email. So here what I can do is drop a text block here and then write the email here. All right, so basically in the first email, what I'm going to do is thank them for purchasing from us. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a coupon and specifically add a deadline to it so that my users can purchase with a discount on their next order. So basically what I'm going to write here is, and then add a coupon. Now, don't forget to add a deadline here, all right? You can add the deadline as 7 days or maybe 5 days, whichever suits you. So that's about it. And if you want, you can also add a button here, which will take your users to your shop directly. So you can add here, okay? And then you can add the link here as well. So once you're done with the first email, what you're going to do is click on next and then add the second email here. Now, if you click on the plus icon here, you can see that the second email draft has been created and you can add a specific delay here. So let's say I'm going to send the second email after 1 day. All right. So I can select 1 day and then I can also add the subject line. So basically after sending the first email, the second email should mention that they have only 4 days left before the coupon expires. So let's say my subject line will be, and then you can go ahead and design the second email just like I designed the first one. So here's how the second email will look. Now you can add 2 more emails to this welcome email series. Now maybe the third email can mention that the coupon expires in 24 hours and the 7-day delay email, which is the 4th email, can mention maybe a review, or maybe you can ask them to sign up to your social communities for latest deal updates. Now using the third email, you can trigger an urgency or maybe a scarcity that can result in triggering more conversions. Now you may ask, how you'll know that a customer is purchasing from your store for the first time? In Mailment, we have an automation trigger which is the first order in store that will detect the very first order of your customer. And there, you may add the email sequence that you just created on the sequence for automation. So this is how you can create a perfectly planned welcome series using Mailment very easily. So in this video, I've shown you how you can create a perfectly planned welcome email series for the first-time buyers of your store. In the next few videos, I'll also discuss some amazing email campaigns that can help you generate more sales in your store. So keep watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.